what's up, guys? Welcome back to ADR Rush. As you see in the thumbnail, yes, I did get into a major motorcycle accident last night. So, as you see in this video, in this moment, we're having fun, we're enjoying life, we're listening to our music in our cars, dancing, and living the bike life. You know, we're happy, and that's what makes us happy, riding, being happy, and also therapeutic. So I'm gonna fast forward it a little and explain to you what happened that led to those events that made me decide to pull over to the shoulder. Right here, I'm riding with the guys and girls, because there are females riding with us, and I start feeling my bike. At a certain point here, around here, my bike feeling a little weird, like jiggly, like jello. So I'm thinking, man, that wind is hitting me hard. I thought it was a gust of wind that was kicking me around. So I shifted over to the right lane to play it safe. And what's going through my mind is like, yo, what's going on? Was it just a gust of wind? Let me just stay on this side, or is it my bike acting weird? So, as you see, I'm still on the right lane. I decide, well, let me go find a spot to pull over and check everything. I'm riding slow. Everybody's passing me. I'm being precaution. And what's going through my mind is like, okay, is my rear wheel loose? I don't want that rear wheel to fly off and me get into a wreck. So right here, I start shifting over because it stopped doing it. So I thought it was a gust of wind. I'm still trying to make sense of everything. And at one moment in time, you're gonna see that I put on my blinkers because I started being a little concerned. I'm still looking for a good spot to pull over. As you see, there ain't no shoulder here, just to make a right turn. And the last thing I wanted to do was pull over and get hit by a car. So right now I got my blinkers on, and I'm letting everyone pass me. I'm riding very slow, trying to figure out what's going on. If you see, I keep looking at the front wheel. I thought it was the front. Kept looking at the side mirror, making sure that no one's gonna rear end me. Okay, so we're pulling up at the light. I look to my front wheel, it seemed fine. As we take off, my bike started wiggling, and I went from middle lane position 1 to the left lane position 3, and then for some reason my bike threw me back to middle lane or right lane position 1. So I'm like, okay, there's no cars behind me. Threw on my blinkers, signal with my hands, and boom. Now, I'm gonna pause and replay this again. I raised up my visor because it knocked the wind out of me. And then for some reason I just couldn't breathe. I was in shock, I couldn't breathe.
Baby, you okay?
I looked like I was pretty much dead.
I'm coming. I'm coming, baby.
And here comes one of our fellow riders assisting me. I told him take off my helmet. He says, I can't do that, I can't do that. I said, I can't breathe. So he went to call 911. I took off my gloves. And I know that when you get into an accident, you're not supposed to take off a helmet on someone or yourself, because as far as we know, we might have spinal injuries or neck injuries, and that can lead to being paralyzed. in my mind, I'm saying to myself, what just happened? Did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake? Did I cut him off? And then I say, wait a minute. I threw my blinker. I pointed towards the direction I was turning to, which was pretty much the shoulder. So I start questioning myself. So now, you know, I'm using this video for educational purposes. So, you know, YouTube, please do not demonetize this video. But I'm trying to figure out what could I have done better and what could he have done to prevent this accident. Let me stop it right here. I'm gonna put a different angle. I got some different angles that I put together on my 360 camera. And I want you guys to take a look at these angles and tell me what you think. I believe he was target fixated and he just froze, because it can happen. It happens to a lot of us. No matter how experienced you are, it can happen. See, I got my signal. I'm turning. Boom. In my opinion, he was speeding. Let me put a different angle. This is a different angle, so you guys can see what could have been done to prevent this accident. You know, if you guys have any comments, any tips, please be kind. Anything that's rude and disrespectful will get deleted. He did have a female passenger, as you heard her earlier screaming.
What happened? They hit. There were two people.
They crashed into each other.
Chris, my bike's up there. You want to bring it back?
He crashed into me.
He's in the ignition.
You're in there turning lane?
Yeah.
My bike on? Is that my bike?
Damn it, man. Second week in a row.
Oh, fuck my leg. Fuck.
All right? Everything feels good over here. Oh, he's falling right here.
My ankle? I can't move.
What did you hit? What did you hit? What hurts you right now?
Fuck. I'm done with bikes. I'm fucking done with them. I can't do it. It's my second one. I'm done.
Were you wearing it home?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any neck or back pain?
Oh, fuck my leg.
These two involved. And this one over here.
That's one. Yeah. All right. My bike started, I think the tire loose. So I put my blinker on and I started pulling over. I went like this, but I guess he didn't slow down enough. And he hit me.
Ready? You're gonna go through your nose. Through your nose.
Oh, you got a black tiger, bro.
That's why it was wiggling. That's why it was wiggling.
Hey guys, if you're not involved with the accident, can you guys go stand down there for us, please, so we can figure out what's going on? Appreciate it. No, that's what I'm saying. Anybody who's not involved in the accident, we'll get with you if you witnessed it.
They were.
We all right together.
I got,
What's that?
We all right together.
Okay, all right.
I got it.
It's just we got fire rescue coming in, and they're gonna go.
Oh, fuck my leg, man.
And this is the one that I did the surgery on already.
I ripped off my pants so I could evaluate my wounds. I wanted to make sure I didn't had no bones sticking out.
Hit right in back of his tail. I try to slow down as much as I can too. We weren't even going that fast.
Now, he said we weren't even going that fast. No, let's correct that. I wasn't even going that fast. You were hauling ass.
And his shoulder.
In my shoulder right now. I got a lot. I can feel like I got the road rash in the back too.
Hey. Just have them hang tight because I gotta get
Well, he fell before already and messed up this part of his arm.
We got fire rescue coming, okay? They're gonna come take a look at your leg and all that. What's her injury? You just shaking up?
No, she went down. She went left
So
side.
you three are involved, right?
Y'all were riding together?
Alright. Okay. Does that work?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Your head hit the concrete at all.
We have helmets. My helmet's the one I
Yeah, I got it.
You know how it is, man.
Yeah, no, my helmet's that one. I threw my helmet over there.
How many bikes were involved?
Just us two. Me and his.
Yeah, if you can take that back off.
The guy that hit me on a bike after being released from the hospital was arrested right there in the hospital. He was charged with a few charges. One was riding with a suspended license. The other one was tampering with the serial numbers on a motorcycle. So therefore, the police came to the conclusion that the motorcycle was stolen. So he is possibly facing a felony charge. With that being said, man, I hope she's okay, he's okay. He really messed up. He messed up pretty bad.
What's your name and date of birth and all that? Sorry.
You got a warrant for radio.
What's your name?
They need a warrant to take that from you.
I know.
That's your personal property. Do not give any footage away without a warrant.
DRIC?
Yours.
Okay. Last name Rodriguez.
I'm not answering any questions. All right, get out of here. My wife's right there. All right.
Fuck, my ankle was killing me.
Anyhow, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
And share down below in the videos to all the other people who hasn't seen this video yet so far. I will be taking care of my dad. You know, he is a little banged up, but he'll live. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you later. Peace.